Now, since you have already connected your WordPress site and installed the Lumen AI Writer Bridge plugin, it's the right time to go and create a new workspace. A workspace is the module where you will add the keywords in your website and get the content planning done inside ContentRyte platform. Now find the workspaces in your left sidebar panel and click on that. Select Workspaces to organize your content projects. Click Create your first workspace to get started. Enter your website name in the field. Enter your website URL here. Click here to move forward and add comma-separated keywords for your business products and services. Use keywords that people search in Google to find your business so that our site intelligence scanner system can plan the contents for you professionally. Select your connected WordPress website from the drop-down menu if you have connected it earlier already, or you can leave it blank for now. You can also set up a brand identity if you like from filling the options here. Enter your brand name for personalized content. Fill the rest of the options in brand identity for our AI writer to be able to include your brand identity while writing the articles personalized just for your site and brand. Choose your content publishing frequency. Choose your days for your schedule. Click Create and Analyze to finish workspace setup. Click Explore to discover your workspace features. Now on this page, our AI system has started working on the 4 core areas. Scroll down to the page and select any content title and click Write to start creating content. You will see that the entire article, heading, outline, and literally everything is pre-populated for you just by clicking the Write Article button. All you have to do now is click Generate Article to create new content. Click Save Content to preserve your work. Click Check SEO to see your article SEO score and see the rooms for improvements. Review all these fields to analyze your SEO score. Now let's move on and add an AI-generated image here to this article quickly. Select AI image to generate visuals automatically. Write your image prompt here and let the AI do its magic to generate a visually stunning creative for this post. Click Generate Content to create new text. Now AI will take about 30 to 45 seconds to generate the AI image. Click here to insert into the article body. Click Add to Article to insert content. Click Save Changes to update your article. Click here to view export options. Now the next beautiful step of this platform is the ability to never leave the ContentRyte platform and directly generate and schedule the social posts. Select a social platform to generate for. Click Generate Posts to create social content. Review the social posts generated for you selected platforms. See below to connect account first and connect your social media pages and accounts here. Once connected, you can click Post to publish on your connected social media right from the article wizard. Now moving back to our next part, which is publishing to the connected WordPress site directly from here. Click Push to WordPress to publish online. Click here to select your WordPress site from the drop-down and choose the relevant site categories, tags, and your preferred author. Click Push to WordPress to finalize. Select all articles to view your content and see if it's published to your site or not. You can see the article is successfully published to your site. Now let's confirm this in your WordPress site. Select all posts in WordPress admin. Click View to see your published article. You can see your published article here live on your website with your AI-generated image inserted as the feature image inside the article. Now imagine how much time you have actually saved in doing all this process manually. While other AI article writers waste your time and bandwidth to ask you to manually copy-paste and insert and edit your WordPress article, ContentRyte does all that in just one click, and your professional article is published straight to your WordPress's sites. Thank you for watching this demo. Let's start utilizing the real superpowers of ContentRyte platform and start building high-income authority sites from scratch.